Hello to all my powerful subscribers and viewers. Welcome everybody. In today's video, I quickly wanted to show you an interesting feature that Facebook has added to the outcome-driven ad experience setup. Obviously, they used to have multiple different objectives. I think it was 11, and now they are down to 6. So one of the tools I've actually added in the simplified objectives is if you click on Find Your Objective here, you can then select the old objective setup, which used to be part of the Facebook campaign setup. So things like app installs, video views, lead generation, post engagement. So if we click on one right now, let's click on, let's say traffic. It'll then automatically generate the traffic campaign. If you click on reach, it'll generate the awareness one and highlight it as that goal to use. So it's quite a cool little feature. And particularly if you're after something a bit more specific, it'll show you exactly what setup you need. So there's minimal confusion about what the new setup and goal is. So I hope you found this tool useful. I hope you continue to find it useful as you adapt to the outcome driven ad experience setup. If you're looking for a bit more of an in depth tutorial on how the outcome driven ad experience can be used, I'm going to share a link in the recommended video above. And also, I'll share some more information in the description box below with the tutorial video so you can actually see exactly how the outcome driven ad experience works and also what you need to be aware of in it. So that's all for now. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.